Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Bet plus T. Bet T. B plus hoop. Boop. Betty boop. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another half hour of Classic Concentration, a game of puzzles and matches that will hopefully lead to a brand new car for one of these two contestants. This gentleman won the game at the end of yesterday's program. He had a shot at the car. He has also picked up $5,401 in prizes. His name is Michael Brown from Canada. Welcome back to you.
Nice to meet you again.
Have you done, you mentioned you were a struggling actor. Have you done any work down here yet?
A little.
Just a little?
But nothing really to name right now.
Did you take acting? Did you study acting
Yeah,
in
I've been
Canada?
studying for the past few years.
All right. Well, good luck to you in that regard, and good luck to you on the program today once again as you face this lovely lady, Andrea Naran. Hello, Andrea.
Hi.
Close to $1,500 in prizes for you.
Great.
Andrea is an expectant mom, very
I am.
early on in her second pregnancy. She's got a little one at home already.
Yes, a little boy.
What's his name?
Jace.
Jace? Short for Jason?
No, just Jace.
Jace? J-A-C-E?
Essie.
Essie.
Yes.
Jeez. All right. You ready
Like
to
be
go?
different. Yes.
You
sure
want to be
am.
different. All right. Take a look over here. Here's something that's fun for this season.
The Yamaha Snow Scoot, lightweight and designed for easy handling. It's fun in the snow for zipping down the trail. Furnished by Yamaha. Alex.
The Yamaha Snow Scooter can be found on the board behind number 25, a holiday in Bermuda. There's a big change. We're going from a snow scooter to Bermuda. Andrea, you pick first.
Number 13, please, right in the middle.
5 shares of DuPont
Okay,
stock.
I can use extra income. Number 9, please.
Bermuda Holiday.
Okay.
2 great prizes, but no match. Michael Brown.
I would like to see a wild card behind number 5.
15 of your favorite compact discs.
Okay, maybe a match for that or a wild card on number 1.
No match. Outdoor lighting. Andrea?
Number 4, please.
Woman's
Ooh,
apparel,
okay.
including shoes.
Great. Number 11 for the match, please.
Diamond ring. No shoes. Michael.
Okay, can I look in the bottom left-hand corner under number 21?
Red take.
And can I look right beside it, number 22?
Bermuda Holiday. Andrea?
Okay, let's get that trip. Number 9
Yes.
and number 22.
There is a match for the lady. Bermuda vacation. Down here, 2 doors opening up. Pick again.
Okay, let's go with number 6, please.
Red take.
Number 21.
Red take. A little bit of protection for that Bermuda Holiday.
Okay.
Open it up.
I have no idea.
Select again.
Number 15.
Snow scooter.
Oh my goodness, where did that go? I don't remember number 23.
No, but it's... Michael was beginning to celebrate, but celebrating too quickly. Andrea was in the right part of the board. Let's show her where the puzzle had the snow
I
scooter
didn't even
hiding in the
remember.
lower right-hand corner. So you were in the right quadrant. It worked out beautifully for you. Now you have the snow scooter and the Bermuda Holiday,
Okay.
and 3 more panels opening up.
I think we need to open the puzzle. Let's go with number 17
Green take.
and number 8 for the match, please.
15 of your favorite compact discs. No match there. Michael.
Okay, we've seen those before under number 5. And a match for that on number 8.
There you go. 15 favorite compact discs going into your prize column. And down here, we're opening up 2 doors for your benefit. Pick again.
Could I see what's behind number 24?
Women's apparel
Oh, we've
and
seen
shoes.
that. Where was that? That was maybe behind number 3.
No, that's a CD player to go with those discs you got. Andrea.
I don't remember where it was. Was it number 4? Oh, number 24 for the match,
4 and
please.
24 works out. Now, Andrea. You've got this tape. You've got a lot of prizes already on your side, and the only thing he's got to take, the discs.
I'm gonna save it.
Yeah?
Save it. I've got to protect that trip.
All right. Put it back here in its slot and open these two panels for your benefit. Pick again.
Number 2, please.
Wild card.
Okay. I need to open up the puzzle. Let's go with number 3, please.
3 is the CD player, and the other CD player is down at number 19. Still want to save this, I take it?
Yes, I do.
I thought so. 3 more doors opening up. We have a wild card that remains in play up there. Michael is kind of chafing at the bit here. I wonder, is that because you think you can solve this puzzle?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well,
No.
as you've seen on many, many games in recent weeks, we've had one contestant put a whole bunch of prizes on his or her side of the board, and then the other player gets control and solves the puzzle and becomes a heartbreaker. But let's see if it works that way today. Maybe Andrea will clean up.
I hope so. Okay, let's go for number 17.
Green take.
And number 11, please.
Diamond ring.
Saw that already.
Didn't make the match. Michael.
Okay, can I see what's behind number 12?
Color TV.
Oh, and what other number haven't we seen? Number 14?
Diamond ring. No match from Michael.
Okay,
Andrea.
I need that diamond ring under 11 and 14, please.
There's the match. Now we're getting close to resolving this puzzle. You might want to use your take, even though it's just the compact disc, or do you want to save it a little longer?
I'm going to take them. I'm going to take them.
She's going to take those discs. She wants them
come on.
because they would go well with a CD player she's already got. Open these two panels for Andrea. Pick again.
Okay, number 18, please.
Outdoor lighting.
Was that number 1?
I think so. Outdoor lighting is correct. 2 more panels swinging open for Andrea. Pick.
Number 20, please.
Color TV.
Was that number 12?
Color TV.
I'm stumped. I am
You're stumped, but imagine how Michael feels because he
I know.
can't wait to get in there, and every time he feels you're going to make a mistake, you come up with a natural match. And there is still one wild card up there. These two panels will open now for Andrea. Pick again.
Number 7, please.
5 shares of DuPont stock.
Number 13.
5 shares of DuPont stock. So everything on the board will be coming Andrea's way. We'll open these 2 doors, and we will now show you 10, 16, and 17. That's the green take and the wild card, but unfortunately, Michael has nothing to take, so I'll just put this away. Andrea, when we open the doors, I want you to solve the puzzle.
Is it roll out the red carpet?
Young lady, I think you've got it. Roll out the red carpet and roll it out for Andrea. Come on. Well done. Watch your step now.
Okay, we have the roll. I had no idea what this is. It's an umpire with out plus the, roll out the. The R plus the head is red. The car plus the pet is pet. Roll out the red carpet.
And that's what they're going to be doing for you, Andrea, because you've won big. And you have handed Michael just his first X, so he'll be back in game number 2, the tiebreaker in this match. We'll see you then, Michael. For the moment, actually for many moments, Andrea and I are going to be standing here listening to our friend Gene tell us all about these great prizes. Go, Gene.
5 shares of DuPont stock, 15 favorite compact discs, outdoor lighting, and women's apparel and shoes. Cherokee, a choice of apparel and shoes for an unusual combination of fashion and comfort in junior, missy, petite, and women's sizes, furnished by Cherokee. And the CD player. Technics compact disc changer with 5-disc rotary design lets you program your musical selections. And with 10-key wireless remote, relax in your chair and let the music play. Furnished by Technics. Symphonics, and a diamond ring. Part of Abigail's Heirlooms collection, a hidden heart ring opens to reveal a hidden heart. This magnificent diamond and pearl ring is a reproduction of authentic Victorian jewelry furnished by Abigail's Heirlooms, and a color TV. Symphonics dramatic flat screen 20-inch stereo TV includes all the most wanted high-tech features, on-screen display, remote control, and hi-fi stereo sound furnished by Symphonic, and a Bermuda holiday. We'll fly you on a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Bermuda. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines, and you'll spend the week at the Elbow Beach Hotel. Enjoy the sparkling aquamarine ocean and endless pink sand beach, superb dining, dancing, and entertainment furnished by the Elbow Beach Hotel. And, of course, the fun-to-ride snow scooter. And, Andrea, these prizes are worth a big number, $8,142.
Big number indeed. Thank you, Gene. Andrea's up to close to $10,000 in prizes, and when we come back, she could double that by winning a brand new car. Join us after these messages. Big win for Andrea. Now, good times are about to roll for you. Here are the 15 numbered squares. 40 seconds on the clock. Andrea, good luck. Go to work.
1, 3.
No.
7, 9.
Nope.
4, 6.
No.
10, 12.
No.
13, 5.
Yes.
2, 6.
No.
8, 10.
Yes.
11, 6.
Yes.
9, 12.
No.
15, 4.
No.
9, 2.
Yes.
12, 1.
3 cars short, but that's okay. You just
Getting better.
you
I'm
are getting better,
better.
but I had a feeling you didn't want to win a car just then.
Oh,
You
no.
wanted to play another game
Right.
so you could win some
I
more
did.
prizes.
Psychology.
Yeah, meanwhile, you've got $9,608 in prizes. And game number 2 is coming up after this. Well, let's see. We've gotten past Christmas and New Year's. What's the next important holiday? How about Valentine's Day? Valentine's Day. That's very important, and this is the perfect gift.
Bob Guerin's creative floral arrangements to enhance the home with color and fragrance. Sent to you each week for 1 year. Furnished by Flowers by Bob Guerin. Ellie.
It would be kind of neat to start it off on Valentine's Day. Andrea and Michael, take a look on the board. The flowers for a year are at number 14. The cash pot is now up to $800. We have a vacation in San Francisco and, of course, the 5 bonus car seconds. And, Michael, you pick first.
Can I see the top right-hand corner, number 5?
Sailboat.
That's a nice prize. Can I see what's behind number 8?
Wild card, so the sailboat will be coming your way. The other sailboat is on the bottom line at number 23, and now it goes into position behind you, and we open 3 panels. Select again.
Okay, can I see top left-hand corner, number 1?
Cash pot, $700 worth.
Okay, can I see a match to that or a wild card or number 11?
Green take, no match. Andrea,
Okay, I'd like to see number 7, please.
5 bonus car
I
seconds.
need that. Number 17, please.
Red take, Michael,
Can I see what's behind number 21?
5 bonus car seconds.
And number 7.
That's a match. And if you go to the winner's circle, you'll be in pretty good shape. Let's open these 2 panels. Pick again.
Okay, can I see what's behind number 25?
Woman's gold watch.
And a wild card or a match to that in number 15?
Executive gift basket. No match there. Andrea.
Okay, let's go to number 17, please.
Red take.
Number 14.
Flowers for a year. Michael.
Can I see what's right beside that under number 15?
Executive gift basket.
And number 22.
No, a green take is there. Andrea.
Number 10, please.
Cash pot.
Oh, number 1?
cash spot for $700. Andrea gets the prize in her column, and she has a chance to study the puzzle. Pick again.
Number 19, please.
Wild card.
Okay, number 12. Let's see what's
Number
under
12, another wild card. Well, you've already got $700 with the cash spot. This adds $500 more in cash, and you get to pick again.
Let's see what is under number 3, please.
Sailing lessons. The other sailing lessons are at number 20. So 4 doors opening up for Andrea. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, that this is the deciding game in the match between Andrea and Michael. Whoever loses says goodbye. Andrea, go.
Number 16, please.
Bowling ensemble.
Number 24.
San Francisco excursion. Michael?
No more wild cards left. Could I see what's under number 13?
Flowers for
And
a
number
year.
14 for a match?
There's the match. And that gives you another prize and another look at the puzzle. Pick again.
Can I see what's behind number 2?
Executive gift basket.
And we've seen that before under number 15.
I think so. Another one. Show him. Pick again.
Number 17, please.
Red take.
Have we seen that under number 11?
No, that's the green take. Andrea. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. We're going to assist you by revealing the puzzle one square at a time, starting with number 4. Number 6, 9, 11, 16, 17, 18. Michael's in first.
Vatican City.
Vatican City looks like a winner. And Vatican City is. Come on, Michael. Big win. Well done.
First we have the V, and then the arrow's pointing to the hat, and then the I, he's choking. The can, Vatican, and then Si, and the T, Vatican City.
Vatican City. A good luck place for Michael Brown. And Andrea, we're finally going to say goodbye to you, but you're going away with
That's
a whole
fine.
bunch of prizes. $9,608 worth.
Thank you.
Happy New Year to you. Good luck with the new baby,
Thank
too.
you very
Congratulations.
much. Good
Goodbye,
luck,
Andrea.
Michael.
Michael's sorry, but he's happy also because this is a big win for him. Tell him why, Gene.
An executive gift basket, a Tisket a Tasket year-round national gift-giving service, custom designed for any occasion, a basket filled with an exciting collection of gifts furnished by a Tisket a Tasket, and a sailboat, Snark Sea Devil, a high-performance sailboat designed to be totally unsinkable, will carry 2 adults and 3 children. The Sea Devil, furnished by Snark Boats, and of course, the beautiful Flowers for a Year and the 5 bonus car seconds. And Michael, you have a prize package worth $3,199.
Nice win, Michael. When we come back, we'll see if he can win a brand new car. This should be the day. All right, Michael, let's go for it. 15 numbered squares. You had 45 seconds on the clock, but you picked up the 5 bonus seconds, so you're up to 50. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
7, 9.
No.
3, 10.
Yes.
12, 4.
Yes.
13, 15.
No.
7, 15.
Right.
2, 13.
No.
14, 1.
Yes.
5, 13.
Yes.
8, 9.
No.
2, 9.
Right.
6, 11.
Yeah. That's it, just like that. Congratulations, young man. Thank you. Gene, tell him about this new car. He's going away a big winner.
Michael, you just won this Volkswagen Fox GL 4-door. Features a 1.8-liter four-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and air conditioning, furnished by Volkswagen, a prize worth over $9,900.
You just doubled your winnings to $18,575. Great time for us after we hear from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Vitamix stainless steel 3-minute bread maker and home yogurt factory that juices without waste, cooks without burning, freezes instant ice cream, and offers 800 other recipes. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
What a fantastic day this is turning out to be for Michael Brown. He's won over $18,000, including a brand new car. And he leaves our show now to run off to an acting audition. Good luck in that one. See you all, folks.
Bye.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.